Mars. Mars, known as the Red Planet, is the fourth planet from the Sun and the outermost rocky planet. In the 19th century, astronomers first observed what were thought to be signs of life on Mars. The signs included apparent canal like lines on the surface and dark patches that were thought to be vegetation. It is now known that the canals are an optical illusion and the dark patches are areas where the red dust that covers most of the planet has been blown away. The fine dust particles are often wiped up by winds into dust storms that occasionally obscure at almost all the surface. Residual fine dust in the atmosphere gives the Martian sky a pinkish hue. The northern hemisphere of Mars has many large plains formed of solidified volcanic lava, whereas the southern hemisphere has many craters and large impact basins. There are also several huge extinct volcanoes, including Olympus Mons, which at 600 kilometers across and 25 kilometers high is the largest known volcano in the solar system. The surface also has many canyons and branching channels. The canyons were formed by movements of the surface crust, but the channels are thought to have been formed by flowing water that has now dried up. The Martian atmosphere is much thinner than Earth's, with only a few clouds and morning mist. Mars has two tiny, irregularly shaped moons called Phobos and Deimos. Their small size indicates that they may be asteroids that have been captured by the gravity of Mars. Tilt and rotation of Mars. Axial tilt of 24-degree. Axis of rotation. North pole orbital plane. South pole perpendicular to orbital plane. One rotation takes 24 hours and 37 minutes. Surface features of Mars. Bright water ice fog. Fog in canyon about 20 km wide at end of Valles Marineris, Syria Plana. Noctis Labyrinthus Canyon System. Summit caldera consisting of overlapping collapsed volcanic craters, gentle slope produced by lava flow, cloud formation. The surface of Mars. Dark area where dust has been blown away by wind. South polar ice cap. Surface covered with red colored iron oxide dust. Moons of Mars. Phobos. Average diameter 22 km. Average distance from planet 9400 km. Deimos. Average diameter 13 km. Average distance from planet 23,500 km. External features and internal structure of Mars. North polar ice cap of frozen carbon dioxide and water ice. Tempe Fossae. Mariotis Fossae. Uranus Tholus, Tantalus Fossae, Alba Fossae, Alba Patera, Milankovic, Serranus Tholus, Thasis Tholus, solid rocky crust containing water ice, permafrost, permanently frozen subsoil, metallic, possibly molten core about 2500 km in diameter, mantle of silicate rock, Thanumasia Fossae, South polar ice cap of frozen carbon dioxide and water ice, Lowell, Slipher, Lampland, cloud formation, Darwin, Ritchie, Holden, average surface temperature about minus 40 degrees Celsius, Corpades, Chasma, Valles Marineris canyon system more than 4000 km long with an average depth of 6 km, branching channels possibly formed by water flow, dust storm, cirrus-type condensation clouds of water ice. Cyclonic storm system. Ursia Mons, Olympus Mons, Pavonis Mons, Ascranius Mons. Mantle about 2000 km thick, crust 40 to 50 km thick, thin atmosphere of mainly carbon dioxide. Noctis printers. Atmosphere structure, thermosphere, stratosphere, troposphere, thin clouds of frozen carbon dioxide, isolated clouds and fog of icy water vapor, red iron rich dust. Composition, carbon dioxide about 95,000, nitrogen about 2004. 2.7 percentage, argon about 1.6 percentage, oxygen, carbon dioxide and water vapor about 0.7 percentage.